Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Then if you tap on here, then you guys can find out the Reels. If you tap on the three dots here, now if you tap on see where to share link, then you guys can find out this. If you tap on share option, then they will show you a lot of apps where you can share the link that you want of the reel. If you tap on WhatsApp app, now you guys can share the Instagram reel to your status, or if you want to share it with your friends, you guys can also do it. For example, I'm going to share it with this person, and if you tap on here, and then if you tap on here, this reel will be shared with your friend. Also you guys can share the link as your WhatsApp status. If you tap on the three dots again, and also tap on here again, and then tap on share. Now tap on WhatsApp app again, and then if you want to share it as your WhatsApp status, tap on my status and then tap on here. If you tap on this option, then the link of this video will be shared. So this is how you guys can share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp app status. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.